You are not crazy. I need you to hear that before we go any further. If there is a narcissist in your life, whether it's a partner, a parent, or a boss, they have spent a massive amount of time making sure you believe the exact opposite. They've labeled you as too much, dramatic, or the problem. But here is the truth they don't want you to know. You weren't broken, you were targeted. Narcissists are strategic. They don't just stumble into your life, they study you. They find the door that opens easiest, and they walk through it like they own the house. By the time you realize what's happening, they're sitting at your table, eating your food, and telling you that you're lucky to have them. Today, we are flipping that table. We're covering 5 tactics that dismantle their hold on you, and I'm saving the most important one for last because it's the only one they truly cannot survive. Tactic 1, the gray rock, the power of boredom. Tactic number 1 is the gray rock. Think about a plain gray rock on the side of the road. It's uninteresting. No one stops to look at it. No one argues with it. Most people make the mistake of trying to win an argument with a narcissist. You bring receipts, you explain your feelings, you cry, you scream. Here's the catch. They don't want your explanation. They want your energy. Every time you react, you are feeding them. The gray rock means you stop being the meal. When they poke at you with a loaded question, you give them a one-word answer in the flattest voice possible. Okay, I see. Maybe. You aren't being rude. You are being unreliable. When a narcissist realizes they can't get a rise out of you, they get bored. And a bored narcissist eventually goes looking for a new target. You are closing the kitchen for good. Tactic 2, the logic trap, the one question. Narcissists rely on speed. They twist stories and shift blame so fast that your head spins. You end up apologizing for some things they did just to make the shouting stop. Instead of defending yourself, try this. Can you help me understand that better? Ask it with genuine curiosity, not sarcasm. When you ask a narcissist to explain their logic slowly and out loud, their story starts to crumble. Their lies are built to be thrown at you, not to be inspected. By slowing the conversation down, you aren't attacking them. You're just holding up a mirror to their nonsense. They hate this because they cannot be clear. They thrive in the fog. Your question brings the sun, and the fog disappears. Tactic 3, the paper shield, protecting your reality. There is a specific pain in being told your own memory is wrong. This is gaslighting. It's a strategy to make you doubt your own mind so that you have to rely on their version of reality. To stop this, you need a paper shield. Start a private digital note or a physical journal. Write down what was said, the date, and how it made you feel. Do it factually, like a scientist. You don't ever have to show them this. This isn't a weapon to use in an argument, because they'll just lie about the notes too. This is for you. It's a receipt of your sanity. When they try to rewrite history later that day, you can look at your notes and say to yourself, I know what happened. Once your truth is anchored, their gaslighting loses its power to sink you. Tactic 4, the invisible exit, rebuilding the life they stole. Narcissists want you isolated. They'll make small, toxic comments about your friends or family until you stop seeing them. Why? Because a person with a support system is a person who can leave. Tactic 4 is building an invisible exit. Start small. Text that friend you haven't spoken to in months. Go to that gym class. Spend 20 minutes on a hobby that has nothing to do with the narcissist. You aren't running away yet. You're simply becoming a person again. Every new connection you make is a door out of the cage. They will feel the grip loosening, and that is more threatening to them than any argument you could ever start. You don't have to fight your way out. You can grow your way out. Tactic 5. The ultimate shift. Letting go of why. This final tactic is the hardest, but it's the boss level of recovery. Stop trying to make them understand. We spend years thinking, if I just find the right words, they'll see what they're doing to me. The hard truth, they already know. They aren't confused. They are benefiting from your confusion. Every time you try to make them see, you're telling them that their opinion still defines your value. The day you stop needing them to understand is the day you are truly free. You stop standing at a door that was never meant to open. You take your peace back, you turn around, and you walk away. Your silence and your genuine happiness are the only things a narcissist can never defeat.